Sige, sige. So, may buntag day guys, no? Kani nga problem is MSTE from CE Boards May 1996. Gikan sa book na 1001 Solve Problems in Engineering Mathematics. So, pangutana niya is find A, no, from this equation. Sige, so simple lang ang pangutana pero as you can see, medyo lisod yun siya, medyo kuti siya kay wala ta kabalon sa tira na to ani. Pero what we can do is since we notice na kani nga term, no, if factor out nimo na siya, na mo ni sila mogawas, di ba? So let's say tanggalon nimo ang x diri no. So we have x times x squared plus 2x plus 5, which is namely mo ni siya. So bali na dissect siya into partial fractions, no. So what we can do here is i-add na to na siya na equation, no. Para mahimong similar atong or same atong denominators. Nya ang numerators from this equation is i-equate na to ano equation. So mura ra siya partial fractions pero reverse, no. Sige, so try na to na. So nahimo na akong first step, which is kanya nga term is multiply na to with x squared plus 2x plus 5. So we have a times x squared plus 2x plus 5 all over x, no, times x squared plus 2x plus 5, pero di na ako isulat kay isa na tanan, no. And as well as the terms b and c, no, pwede na to siya i-multiply with x over x, no, kay para ma-same na tong denominators tanan. Sige, so try ito na. So b times or kani siyang term times x, may mo siyang bx times x tay 2x plus 2 plus cx, no. All over na siya sa x times x squared plus 2x plus 5. Now, keep in mind na itong ginamultiply diri is whole number ra gihapon, no. For example, gi-multiply na ko diri is x squared plus 2x plus 5 all over x squared plus 2x plus 5. Bali gi-skip na nako ang method, ang full process gid niya kay para dali na pod, no, kay short na video, no. Kay medyo interesting ra pod na problem. Sige, so kani sulat lang na to x squared plus 4x plus 10, no. Nya para ma-prove na to na similar ni siya, pwede to igawas na ang x, no. X equals x squared plus 2x plus 5, no. As you can see na same sila kuan denominators, no. So I guess pwede na to ni siya kuan i-multiply with x, or kani siya i-multiply ni siya with yan, so maka-cancel out ni siya, no. So now we have x squared, wait, kita ba? Okay, it's x squared plus 4x plus 10 equals ax squared plus 2x plus 5 plus bx quantity 2x plus 2 plus cx. Sige, sige. So pag-abot dire, you may notice na so may pwede buhaton ani, no. So what I might suggest, no, is i-try na to multiply ang terms, no. Kanya mangita na pud tag terms na similar ani niya na atong equate, no. Sige, so try na to na. Excuse me. X squared plus 4x plus 10. Equate na to. So this is distributing a sa term or sa kuan sa bracket naman sa bana, no. May mo siyang ax squared plus nag-zoom plus 2ax plus 5a, no. As well as sa b pod may mo siyang 2bx squared plus 2bx plus cx. Okay, so what we can do na lang pod is in terms sa x, pwede na to i-grupo na to ang mga parehas o variable, no. So pwede na tong mahimong x squared plus 4x plus 10. So from x squared, pwede na to mahimong x squared times, that is a plus 2b, di ba? So a plus 2b, no, gets. Then sa x pod, so pwede mo siya mahimong x times 2a plus 2b. Okay, gets. And for 5 or for ano pa di cx din, no. Sorry. Plus cx dai. Anya na pud tayo 5a. Okay. So pwede na to makuan na ma-conclude na ang sound ako na yan. Sige, pwede na to i-similar ang coefficients ani niya. Let's say for example, for x squared over here, 1 man na tong coefficient. So pwede na to ma-equate ang 1 sa ingan ani. So we treat this as we treat the terms na same ni sila, no. So sa to pa same sila coefficient. So for example, for x squared, so we have 1, we let 1 equals a plus 2b. Anya, for 4x na pod, pwede na to mahimong 4 equals 2a plus 2b plus cx. Okay, fights. Pero a lang itong ipangita. So, pinaka-convenient nito na is mo tanaw ta sa 10. So, diri no? As you can see, wala siya variable. So, pwede na to equate ang 10 sa 5a. So, 10 equals 5a. No? Now, dividing both sides with 5, no? Cancel ni siya. So, 10 divided by 5, sa ito pa a equals 2. Kanya, mao na siya ang final answer. Okay, salamat.